Okay, so today we'll look at velocity time graph. Velocity stroke time graph. These come in paper 1. We've been looking at paper 2 of late, so these ones usually come in paper 1. Okay, so they usually are the last question in paper 1. Now I'm going direct to this to points you need to know, so that they help you in the exam. Okay, so for example, this is velocity in meters per second. Velocity in meters per second. Okay, and then this side is time in seconds. Okay, that's how it's written. Velocity is always this side, and then time is always this side. So sometimes time is in seconds or in minutes, depends. Let's go to a practical question. So for example, a question comes for you, it comes and then they write for you like this, and then they say 8 seconds, there it's 0. This is velocity, you see, and then they tell you 5 there, 5. You already know the velocity is in meters per second, huh? Okay, time here is in seconds. Time is in seconds. Okay, time is in seconds. And then they tell you find acceleration in the first 8 seconds. Find the acceleration in the first 8 seconds. The first thing you do is you write the formula for acceleration. Acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. I think you have learned this. You remember learning this thing a long time ago. So what is a final velocity? You go back to the question. Final velocity is always the maximum velocity. So the original question is where? It's this one here. This is the diagram. This is the question, okay? This is the question. So the diagram that we are using for this question is this one, okay? So don't start getting confused now. This is the diagram we are using for this question, okay? This is the diagram we are using, okay? So initial velocity is 0 here, okay? Final velocity is 5, okay? As you can see, from 0, I'll be moving, I'm increasing until I reach 5. So initial velocity is 0, final is 5. So final velocity, I reach 5 from 0 over 8. Have you seen? That's how I calculate this, which is equal to acceleration is 5 over 8. So acceleration, it is 5 over 8. And then you use your calculator. What is 5 divided by 8? You use your calculator, and then meters per second squared. Meters per second squared. That's how you solve the first question.